It is still morning, I think. Thank you all so much for being here. As someone who, well before being in the Senate, has worked closely with the Family Planning Center of South Central New York, most certainly with the great Executive Director, Deborah Marcus, and the entire team here, it brings me great pleasure, and it's an honor to be here this morning in this capacity in the Senate to announce some really important funding that I was able to secure for Family Planning of South Central New York. This organization, I often remark, as a hidden health jewel for many individuals and families in our community, although the name of the organization tells a portion of the story, but they really provide such vital health services for many individuals and families in our community who have limited or no access to health care. Even for individuals who do have health insurance, providing educational awareness about important health issues, whether it's related to STIs, overall reproductive care, and most certainly helping people to navigate our often very challenging and complex healthcare system. I think it is so important, and also their locations across the Southern Tier are always in key areas to have the most optimal impact, especially on communities that are most vulnerable. And so when they reached out to my office, lifting up this particular capital need, which is in the space of making technological upgrades, and I know Deborah will give more information on that, so I don't want to take all of her talking points. For me, it was a no-brainer to be able to provide this important funding, so I'm very happy to announce that I've been able to secure $50,000 in capital funding for Family Planning of South Central New York. This organization, as I stated, really is a great community health resource. They are often right there in the trenches with many other health providers, working around the clock with youth, with adults, with families, to ensure that they can have healthy and vibrant lives. And so these funds will help with very important infrastructure upgrades so that this organization can continue to reach as many residents as possible. So again, as the chair of Women's Issues in the Senate, as a member of our Senate Health and Mental Health Committees, and just as someone who has done a lot of community advocacy in the health access space, public health access space for years, well before being in the Senate, this organization and their entire team really does an excellent job of reaching many community members here in Broome County and beyond. So without further ado, I would like to ask their awesome Executive Director, Dr. Deborah, no, sorry, I'm saying doctor, I'm adding extra titles, the JD of Deborah Marcus, to give some insight with respect to how these funds will be utilized. So please join me in welcoming Deborah Marcus.
Thank you, Senator Webb, for your kind words. Good morning, and thank you for being here. Family Planning of South Central New York is very grateful to Senator Webb for making this project possible. With this funding, we were able to complete important upgrades to our internet and phone systems at our Binghamton Medical Center. These improvements may not be visible to the public, but they play a vital role in how we provide care every day. They strengthen our ability to keep our operations running smoothly, to respond quickly to patient needs, and to deliver the highest quality care. This project also highlights the strong relationship that Family Planning shares with our good friend, Senator Lea Webb. Senator Webb has long been a supporter of the health and well-being of the people of our region. We appreciate her trust in our work and her recognition of the critical role that family planning plays in ensuring that everyone, regardless of income, insurance coverage, or immigration status, has a place to turn to for affordable, compassionate care. Senator, thank you for your leadership, your partnership, and your belief in our mission. We are very proud to do this work together. Thank you.
Again, I can't express enough the great resource that Family Planning of South Central New York. They just really help to break down a lot of barriers for many residents across our region. And so again, with these, this investment, and I hope more to come, most certainly, I really want to encourage the community, especially given all the things that we're continuing to see with respect to continued barriers and access to our healthcare system, that the community continues to reach out to Family Planning of South Central New York, because you will find people who are not only competent in navigating various challenges, but also folks who have a lot of compassion and really care, want to make sure that everyone has very important access to healthcare. So with all that being said, now I get to officially present you with the check, and you can keep it.